it's just after 7 a.m. Cars all packed up. We're getting ready to head out for day 2 of the Hot Rod Power Tour. Some of the parking lot's already left, and a bunch of other cars are starting to head out right now. Well, here we are at the start of day 2. Well, we just left Juliet and Route 66 Dragway to start heading down Route 66 for our ultimate road trip adventure. It looks like last night in Juliet, some cars ended up getting missing. Seems thieves always target the easy to start keyless entry cars. Cruising on Road 66 and we came across the Polka Dot Drive-In. Thought we'd take a look at it. Pretty cool. They got these statues here of Elvis and Betty Boop. There's the Blues Brothers. We got a great big Elvis and Superman over here. Elvis. So we stopped in Dwight, Illinois at the old Route 66 family restaurant, which is covered in murals, as well as a Napa over here. Little pit stop here in Dwight to get a picture of the car. Well, I know the original Route 66 Pontiac sign is barricaded behind a fence, but I found this one, which is like a poster they put at City Hall, So yeah, we took a stop in Pontiac. Check out the downtown area. Alright, so we're pulling up to Lexington's Memory Lane. It looks like we're going to take a short detour here. Looks like this is the original road of 26 to 30.
26 to 30,
Yeah, so Memory Lane is the original Route 66. So we're going to make this turn. Let's see what we got. Looks like a lot of people are choosing to do this also. Kids are out getting Hot Wheels. We don't have any Hot Wheels. Oh, they have Hot Wheels. It doesn't have anything. Stickers. had an absolutely fantastic ride. We hardly got stuck in any traffic at all. It went really smooth. So we made it to the airport and we're getting ready to pull into the venue now. Yeah, just a little bit of slow down traffic coming in, but we're doing good. And we're up to the Platinum Gold entrance now.
Paired up next
All right, should be going right in this way here. So we're headed in here. Well, almost has to be a first. The Platinum and Gold launch starts at noon. That's exactly what time we got here, 12 o'clock. So we have to walk down here somewhere, and they said it's in Hangar 4 behind the bus. So wherever that is, that's where we're headed to. Got some pretty cool old planes out here on display too. And in this hangar is our lunch that we actually made it to on time. So for the Gold Club lunch today, pretty decent spread of food. We're gonna dig in. We just had an awesome dinner inside this airplane hangar. And now we're gonna walk through the cars, go through the midway, get a couple things punched that we need, and then we're gonna find the autocross track and see what we can do with the car. All right, well, as we're getting ready to go to the autocross, this seems to be happening. All right, well, it appears that we may have a little more rain than we had planned on having on this adventure.
I think these are...
Well, they're still ripping around even in the wet track, so I'm gonna go figure out what I gotta do to do it.
doing the media for Hot Rod Power Tour.
Yeah.
I just want to see if I can put a camera on the front facing the intake.
Sure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Sweet. Nice, dude.
My bad, sorry.
That was badass stuff.
Well, so I didn't want to have to stop and back up with the camera from Hot Rod on my hood, so I ended up whipping a donut. I'm not sure how that turned out on my dash cam. We'll have to look at the footage of that later. I'm back in line to see if they kick me out after this one. I think that's why he was yelling. You went on the wrong side of that car. Awesome time on the autocross track. The rain did definitely make it a little bit slippery, and I will say that my front tires don't turn when I turn my steering wheel, so that made it challenging. But we had an absolute blast, and we are headed to the hotel now to get ready for hopefully some hotel parking lot parties, but if not, tomorrow we're headed to St. Louis to do drag racing and autocross again. Pretty cool rocket on the side of the road. Alright, so it's 3 o'clock and we're leaving the venue. These guys are all getting in. Ghostbusters. Oh, maybe not, but they're in the wrong lane because he... Oh, maybe he went to the wrong door and they made him go all the way around. Yeah, these guys are all turning into the venue.